I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies with no added sugar. We'll start by exploring the essential ingredients that form the foundation of these delightful treats. Then, we'll dive into smart substitutions for traditional sugar, ensuring your brownies are both healthy and incredibly tasty. Finally, I'll guide you through the straightforward process to achieve that perfect fudgy texture and rich chocolate flavor you crave, all without the guilt. For our sugar-free brownies, we'll swap out refined sugar for natural alternatives such as erythritol, stevia, or monk fruit extract. You'll need about 1 cup of your chosen sweetener. Ensure you use 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep, rich chocolate taste. For the base, consider using 1/2 cup of almond flour or coconut flour, which also makes them gluten-free. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of melted butter or coconut oil for moisture. First, whisk together your wet ingredients, the melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the sweetener, cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing just until combined. Pour the batter into an 8 by 8 inch pan lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. To achieve that perfect fudgy texture, it's crucial not to overbake your brownies. They should still be slightly soft in the center when removed from the oven. Let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before slicing. This allows them to set properly and prevents crumbling. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or refrigerate for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.